Alright guys, can you guys hear me? Please, if everything's good, let me know. I will start my stream. Now I only have one screen, it's kind of like annoying, but I'll start. Okay guys, why I started my 40 days fitness challenge? I mean, it's 2 hours daily fitness challenge, okay? It's 40 days, it's gonna be 2 hours every day. For 40 days, and today is day 1, and every day when it just start, I might in the camera like this, sitting in front of computer and talk a little bit. The maximum gonna be 10 minutes about what's going on, or update about what's going on to my people, update the Uyghur situation. But why I started this 40 days challenge then? Okay, let's begin. First reason, I just wanna be myself. I just wanna dare to be better. I just wanted to be a better myself, a better son, and a better husband, and a better dad, and a better Uyghur, and a better survivor. All I need to do is just to work out, keep myself active. I know a lot of frustration going on right now. Is too much stress, especially for Uyghurs. We are mentally get raped every day from the news. We heard, we saw, like our little kids disappeared 2 years ago. Now we found their body with the organ got harvested, with their eyeball got took off for organ business. That type of news we're listening, we're hearing every day. And the corona Chinese virus is coming on. A lot of people lost their job in America, facing a lot of things this year, 2020. Kind of basically whole world messed up, okay? In this time, I want to stay tough, keep improve myself. That's my first reason. My second reason, I want to use one word from the Louis Pasteur, French chemist, biologist. Louis Pasteur said, chance favors the person who has prepared mind. Chance favors the only prepared mind. What that means. And I know the discipline is very important. Discipline is the key to any type of success. So I want get up early, do my workout early, and keep going. The same consistency. I want to see that succeed. I want to see, but I know it's gonna be hard. Like today, I try to get up real early, but I couldn't. I kind of get up late, and I was fixing a lot of problem on this, and then I realized my wireless microphone, it didn't charge well. That's why I'm using this one again. So I'm waiting that. While I'm waiting, I'm using this. When I go out today for workout, I'm not gonna use microphones. That's why. And the second reason. Okay, what is my third reason? My third reason is I want to inspire. I want to inspire you who is also struggling. I want to inspire more and more Uyghurs. I want to wake them up so that we can get our land back, country back, so that we can save our people from the evil Chinese regime. That's why I started this channel. That's why I am about to start. Today is the day 1 for my 40 days wake up, 40 days fitness challenge. Okay, guys? Okay, my last reason. My last reason is I want to ready for reunion. Guess what? I know China think they're gonna be the boss. They're gonna take over the world. No, I think what I believe is China gonna mess up very soon, and I am able to go back to my home and the reunion with my family, with my friend. I don't know when. I miss my parents, my sister, my niece, hundreds of my family member relatives. I miss them. And I love them, especially my mom, my father, my sister. I love them so much. That's why when I met them again, I want to show them healthy myself. A healthy Shadaman. A happy Shadaman. A Shadaman. Okay, guys? So I need to work out. I need to be myself, work out hard, at least 2 hours a day. Suffer as much as I can before I met them. When I met my parents, I want be that moment is a happy moment. I don't want to see me as a loser looking man, as a fat chubby guy or depressed guy. No, I want to see me as a good looking, healthy looking Shadaman. That's why I'm about to start my 40 days challenge, workout challenge. Today is my day one. It's gonna be tough. I'm not gonna say like, oh yeah, I'm like 100%, I will do it perfectly. No, I will try my best. I will really try my best. I will do 40 days. I want to lose my weight. I want to see how many weight I can lose. I want to see, can I really get my ab back? When I was 20, I got really good shape. I used to work out 2 hours a day, 2 times a day. I was busy. I was a student, but I go gym like during the break, like during the like 2 class. If that class is not that important, I just don't go. Or like you skip the class, I'll go gym. I mean, in China, there's a lot of bullshit class like Marxism or Leifeng, or there's some classes for only teach you Mao Zedong's life, Chairman Mao's life. That type of class I used to skip and go, and before sleep I will go again. I do jump rope, I run, I do ab workout twice a day. Eventually I got very nice shape. That was my 20 years. And when I came to United States when I was 25, everything getting so hard. My language, my English was so bad, and the master program is so hard. But I started my challenge at that time because the workout, it is take your time but give you energy. It's kind of you save your energy. That's what I did. Eventually, I got good shape after 5 years. Now I'm 30 years old, and another 5 years, I am the worst chubby looking in my entire history. So I want to back. At least every 5 years, I want to suffer that fitness, exercise, hard feeling. So that I believe I can get something back in one day. Hey guys, please, if you want to interact with me, please just text me during the break of my workout. It's gonna be 2 hours, so I'm not gonna be like extremely hard exercise. I will more relax. I will drink a little water and then like step by step. And today is my first day, so I want to give myself too much pressure. And if you want to interact with me, please text me through as a YouTube, please. And you can text me from the Twitch or Facebook as well. I know you can see from there too. But if you want your text message show up on the screen, on the right part of the screen, that phone area, if you want me to see it, please just text me in the YouTube, okay guys? And I'm ready. I want to step on my balance now. I want to step on my balance, and then I will see how my I will record every day's my everyday's balance, how my weight loss, maybe loss, maybe gain, I don't know, but I will try my best. And let's see, guys. Okay, I will start very soon, and the whole give me a second.